The food is finished. Alanga what is okay. Mom bringing. Oh bringing. What money did you own? Mama. Mom bringing. Mom bringing. Mama yay. Abai. You see, we have eaten all the food. Now there's no food. Abai. Abai. Allah. Alangaja. This why he doesn't care about anything. Alangajwa. Because I'm calling Alangajwa, Aban is feeling jealous. Allah, you went and cut somebody's chicken. Today they will catch you, they will break your waist. You. My friend, leave me, leave them. Leave me alone. Leave me. Stupid dog. Leave me. Bye. Allah. Mama. Brony. Mama yay. Mom Brony. She doesn't even care about you because you want all the attention for yourself. Allah, bra. Allah. D. Now you are taking ones on the floor. I'll go punish you.